Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create Gmail account by using your mobile phone or Android phone. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I'm on my Android phone and let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So in order to create Gmail account, there is a many way you can create new account in your Android phone, but I'm going to show you the simple way. First you have to select your Gmail application, open the Gmail application here, and here you can see this option like profile photo. Just click on it. If you don't have login any Gmail account in your phone, maybe you will see only add another account option here. Just click on it. Now you have to click on Google. Now it's asks you to log in with your Gmail account, but here we are going to create new account, so you need to click on create account. You have to click myself for business in normal way. In general, people create for myself. Just create myself. Enter your first name here. I just enter first here like NetCast demo 2. Click on next. Then you have to select date of year, and now male females. Next. Okay, please validate 66. Okay, there is a emails which Gmail will show you. Maybe you this is by default. Gmail will show you the yeah, suggest the email. You can select from both, or you can create new one as you want. So just create new one, or you can select from this both. So just create new one like netcast. Okay, I just select name here and just click on next. If this name not available, then it will show the error like red error. Then you have to change your name, username or email ID name, and you have to click next. Now you have to enter password. I just enter password. Yeah, password should be minimum 8 characters, so enter the password. After the enter password, just click on next. Now you have to accept term and condition. Sorry, this is the phone number. You can reset password. There is a synchronous setting, but I just skip for now. And this is account has been created, and after created you can add your recovery number or recovery email ID. Okay, or sometime Google will ask you while you are creating account. So you can save your password in your device. Now you can see account has been created. If you click on this, the account will be see here. In my case, I can see in just bottom, you can see this is my account. Okay, it has been saved. Okay, so this is my new account. For change your you have to update your recovery number or email ID. For when you lost your password, it will be helpful to recover back. Go to the manage your account. Go to the personal data. Okay, click on personal data. Now just scroll down, and here you can see you can update phone number and email ID. You recover your phone number and email ID. Okay, for that you have to enter your current password. Then it will be come go ahead and you can insert add phone number from here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.